So I haven't been sewing much lately, but I have been buying sewing things. So let's jump into that. Back in I think April, one of my clients needed some buttons replaced on a suit. So the suit was a mauve color and it had like black buttons on it, but the shoes that her husband was wearing was like a kind of like cognac color or whatever, ombre cognac. So she wanted to replace those buttons. So when I was looking for buttons, of course I started with Hobby Lobby because I know I can usually find them at a deal. But I knew I needed like a certain color and size, different sizes, at least two different sizes, and whatever. So I picked up what I thought might go with it. And in that, I picked up this pack of buttons, these for the smaller buttons that were on the suit. And I also got these, which I really liked. And yeah, another one of those. I also got these. And I went to Walmart just to see what they had. So I would have like more variety and could really make an informed decision. And so I got two of these packages of buttons, and the buttons in this pack of brown and like wood buttons is really great. I like these. Also at Hobby Lobby, the other buttons that I picked up were these cute little cowboy hat buttons. I think I took all that they had, which was like 3 packs. So I have 3 packs of these. And then I got the little Western boots, 2 of these. I shared these before in another video that I bought, but I did pick up like 2 or 3 more packages of these because I just like them. The next item is something that I've been eyeing for a long time. One, because of the color. Yeah, let's just get into it. I've already opened this, but it is this electric iron, and I got it in the color green and gold. It's small and compact, so you can travel with this. I believe it's it steams and irons your clothing. It has this plate protector, and it's really neat how it goes, how you can just tuck it away. This handle like really rotates. So this is like storage position, or yeah, this is storage position. And this is ironing position. And here's the little point that will help you like get in those little tough places in between buttons and things like that. And then when you're done, you can just replace your protective cap and then turn that back, and you just store this away really neatly. Now this is the measuring cup that comes with it, and it does tell you to fill it up to the 50 mark, and then pour this into the tank. When you're done, let your iron cool down, and then you're going to pour that water out. So the next thing I got is some fabric from Walmart. There's a purse pattern that I plan to make for a couple of my nieces, and it is this pattern here by Ellie and Mac. It's the carry-all purse, and I just thought that was really, really cute. So I was shopping for fabric for their purses at Walmart, and I found like the cutest things. So for one of them, I picked up a yard of this cute Minnie Mouse fabric. Hopefully you can see that, and it's coming through. You can see the details. I really like that. And so for the inside lining, I picked up 2 fat quarters of the Minnie and Mickey Mouse fabric. I think this would be best for the lining because you know kids tend to get things dirty. So with this being the inside of the purse, there should be no issues. For the second purse, I decided to go with Hello Kitty in this purple fabric. This is also a yard, and I just thought this was so cute. And for the lining for this one, I found this pretty pink Hello Kitty fat quarter. I am excited to make those purses, so you will see those soon. Those are all of the sewing things that I have picked up here lately, and I don't really plan on doing much more shopping for sewing things because I have so much already, and there's like a lot going on in my head with my sewing projects and stuff that I want to do. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like the video, share it with a friend if you've enjoyed this. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is up. Until next time, keep sewing.